Hey guys, so look at this. This is a beautiful sight. The tomatoes that were in the refrigerator for about 6 or 7 months, then placed outside in the elements, rain and freezing cold. They were so dried up. I wasn't sure that they were going to come back to life, but all I did was put some soil on top of the cardboard that I had the seeds on, and this is what took place over the course of about a month. This is an amazing sight. Now, there are approximately 8 to 15 different types of tomatoes that I purchased. And so basically what I'm saying is I don't know what type of tomatoes I'm going to get out of these seedlings when they do mature. It's going to be a surprise. Definitely going to be a big surprise. So if you have some seeds, put them in the ground or put them in a container with soil and let Mother Nature take her course. She's going to spring up those things that are dormant with the right condition. Get the soil going, the sunshine, and definitely the water. I'm going to take a break from the tomatoes. Look at that. These butterflies are enjoying this. I believe it's a African chive, I believe it is called. This plant came from a small piece of plant, or stem rather. Someone gave it to me at work and I placed it in the water. After a while, roots came and I planted it. So this is actually the second or third piece of plant that I actually broke off, or stem, or whatever you call it. But just let Mother Nature take its course. Cute butterfly. They're enjoying this plant, and I'm enjoying the view of the tomato seedlings that lay dormant for a while.